How can thermostat wiring behind the faceplate create hidden electrical faults that disrupt heating and cooling systems? Thermostat wiring that is pinched, frayed, or touching other conductors inside the wall cavity can create erratic signals, shorts, and intermittent system failures that mimic thermostat or control board problems. Start by cutting power at the breaker and remove the thermostat faceplate to expose the wires, keeping track of each wire color and terminal location so you can reconnect correctly. Gently pull the low voltage wires out of the wall a few inches to inspect for nicks, exposed copper, or insulation melting. If you see damage, strip back to healthy insulation and apply new insulated terminals, or replace the run entirely if the conductors are brittle. Use non-conductive wire separators or small pieces of electrical tape wrapped around individual conductors to prevent contact between the red and green thermostat wires and any other conductors in the cavity. When reterminating, ensure each wire has about 1/4 inch of clean copper visible. Twist stranded conductors tightly and use screw or push connectors rated for low voltage thermostat use. Loose connections create resistance that looks like intermittent faults. After reassembly, restore power and test system operation through several cycles, and if glitches persist, measure continuity and insulation resistance to rule out hidden shorts in the wall run. The three most common issues are contact between conductors, insulation damage from staples or abrasion, and poor terminations that loosen over time, and each has a simple fix. If conductors are touching, separate them, add insulation, and secure them in a way that prevents movement when the thermostat is mounted. For insulation damage caused by staples or abrasion, replace the damaged section of wire or rewire the run and route the cable away from sharp edges and fasteners. For loose or corroded terminations, cut back to clean copper, make a proper connection with the correct connector type, and leave a small service loop so normal movement will not stress the joint. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to home systems, including heating and electrical. We also host a discussion community where users and pros share diagnoses, photos, and step-by-step advice so everyone can learn from real cases.